Enjoy unlimited ultra-fresh, clean, great-tasting water right at home for the best quality water for cooking and making delicious coffee, ice. Save money, time, and hassle of buying costly, bottled water and live healthier with ultra-safe water that is contaminant-free. The ROES-50 reverse osmosis system has been tested and certified to the highest standard in the industry WQA Gold Seal to deliver the highest quality clean, filtered drinking water at an affordable price. This complete 5-stage water filter system is made from high-caliber components to offer exceptional contaminant rejection rates and long-lasting, reliable performance. Designed, engineered and assembled in the USA by leading reverse osmosis manufacturer APEC Water Systems, the ROES-50 is an affordable workhorse with a proven lineage of success in water filtration. To remove up to 99% of all contaminants, such as chlorine, taste, odor, toxic fluoride, arsenic, lead, and chromium. This efficient and productive system will provide your family with trouble-free, high-quality drinking water for many years to come. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Supreme quality. Designed, engineered, and assembled in the USA to guarantee water safety and your health. Number 2. Only technology to remove up to 99% of contaminants such as chlorine, taste, odor, VOX, as well as toxic fluoride, arsenic, lead, nitrates, heavy metals, and 1,000 plus contaminants. Max total dissolved solids 2000 ppm. Feed water pressure 40 to 85 psi. Number 3. WQA certified system. Premium long-lasting filters used to treat tap water, well water. Provide unlimited clean, refreshing crisp-tasting water superior to bottled water. Number 4. America's #1 rated water filter brand with 20 years of success guaranteeing trouble-free, noise-free systems for long-lasting, dependable, pure drinking water. Number 5. The system comes with a 100% lead-free designer faucet, plus certified JG food-grade tubing and parts to provide safe, contamination-free pure water. Pipe size: 1/4 inch. Number 6. 2 years extended manufacturer warranty with registration. The system comes with all parts and the industry's best instructions and videos for an easy DIY experience. Number 7. High-quality leak-free quick connect fittings require no extra lock clips to seal the leak, and do not rely on a water leak detector to protect your home like other brands. Number 8. Super efficient APEC carbon blocks. Our double carbon blocks are uniquely designed in achieving the maximum possible chlorine and chemicals removal in drinking water. The extremely large carbon block surface maximizes contact time to assured water purity and multiplies the lifetime of filters and membranes. Number 9. True leak-free fittings protection. Our high-quality fittings come with stainless steel teeth for a guaranteed grip, and a special O-ring provides a leak-proof seal. No extra clipping parts and leak detector needed. For your peace of mind. Number 10. Superb taste and water purity. APEC's premium quality products result in excellent refreshing taste and water purity that is more distinctive than any other brand. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.